Text. The best salsa recipe. Text. Alright, let's kick things off with our prep work. Grab your jalapeno, onion, and garlic, and give them a rough chop. Don't worry about making them too perfect, since we'll be blending everything anyway. For the cilantro, just give it a loose chop, stems and all. They've got tons of flavor we don't want to wasta. Time to bring everything together in our blender. Drop in those chopped ingredients we just prepared, and add the whole tomatoes. I love using canned ones for this because they're consistently good year-round. Don't forget the lime juice, salt, and if you're feeling it, throw in that sugar, cumin, and cayenne for an extra flavor boost. By the way, since many of you ask about this blender that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now for the fun part. Let's blend this baby up. We're looking for that sweet spot between smooth and chunky. You know, like the salsa you get at your favorite Mexican restaurant. I usually pulse it a few times first, then blend for about 10 to 15 seconds. You want to still see teeny bits of vegetables in there, not a completely smooth puree. Here's where we make it perfect for your taste buds. Give it a try and think about what it needs. Maybe a little more salt, an extra squeeze of lime, or if you're feeling brave, another pinch of cayenne. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away, so go slow with the adjustments. Let's pop this in the fridge for at least an hour. Trust me on this one. The waiting is the hardest part, but it's absolutely worth it. This rest time lets all those flavors get to know each other and really come together into something special. When you're ready to serve, give it a quick stir and get those tortilla chips ready. This salsa is perfect for dipping, but don't stop there. Try it on tacos, eggs, or even grilled chicken. The possibilities are endless with this restaurant-style goodness.